Hello guys, Daniel here with Efficient Heating Service with another Viessmann boiler repair. I'm here in Vancouver. There is a problem, F4 error code on these Viessmann boiler, which is the most common problem. This is the heat exchanger, which is pretty dirty. I have to clean it up. And this is what the igniter looks like, and it's not really in a good condition. Most likely I would have to replace it. Ignition failure is the F4. When it comes to F4, it's an ignition failure. It could be mostly service and igniter problem, but it happens. It could be the gas controller. So whatever is related to the ignition, it could be the problem. But the most common one is the igniter and service problem. I would have to clean it up and replace the igniter and see how it goes. It happens after doing all that, it doesn't work, and then it goes to the gas controller area. We have to diagnose the gas control valve to see if it's gonna work or not. If the igniter replacement and cleaning doesn't work, then sometimes this wire, which is connects to the igniter and goes to the control board here, is the problem, which is really rare, but it happens. So I'm just at the middle of doing the thing. I have to clean it, replace the igniter, and see how it goes, and then I'll keep recording and showing you the result. Okay, so I cleaned the heat exchanger. Now it's clean. The next step is I'm gonna clean the P-trap for this Viessmann boiler. This is sometimes gets plugged, which I can see from here. It's dirt down here. From here, the condensate acidic water comes in the P-trap and goes up, goes to this drain, and then goes all the way to the drain. So the next step is cleaning this thing, and then basically replacing the igniter. You can see how dirty it is, this P-trap. That's gonna be clean now. I'm cleaning it right now. So after cleaning, I put that back. Also, this hose was holding there was a lot of dirt in this hose as well. I put some water in here and drained that dirt into a separate bucket, then put that on here. That's really important, because if this is plugged, if this hose is plugged, the condensate would not go into the P-trap, and that would be a problem. That would be because of the F4 as well, F4 problem. Okay, and this igniter is basically I need a Allen key to open it. In most of the cases a torque screw that you can take it out, but I need a Allen key to open this thing, to get this thing out. Okay, the old one is out, and that's the new igniter. If you see, this one is basically touching. This one is touching, so that's wrong. That could be the problem. But this one, you have already see there's a space between these two, so that could be part of the problem. Okay, that's finished. I put the igniter on, put everything back. Now I'm just gonna hit the switch and let's see if it's gonna turn on. Yep, I hear the igniter. You're gonna see an icon here. This fire icon is telling me that that was the problem. It's gonna heat up. It's all good. So F4 error code fixed on a Viessmann boiler in Vancouver. This is Daniel, Efficient Heating Service. Thanks for watching.